Alright guys, we're at the river today with Brandon here. We're gonna do a little challenge. So I went on TEMU, bought some stuff. I already lost the TEMU package because I looked at everything, but this is what we got. So Brandon's gonna be fishing his normal stuff, and I'm gonna fish TEMU, see what happens. So they do lie about size. So here's a swim bait. They are microscopic. That's what they look like on. But thought they're gonna be bigger, but we'll try to catch fish on it. Yeah, it's tiny, ain't it? And we got some jigs. Try something with that. And then again, line. This is the Ned rigs that I'm gonna have to fish with today. So see how that goes. The good thing about it is I did look at them, and they do have the Elastex, so they're real stretchy. They get jig heads, little tiny stuff for the swim bait and that. Ned rig heads, it's gonna be a plus. They're a little bit bigger than I usually, but. And then we have like a off-brand dart sleeper. And then last but not least, we have a off-brand River to Sea whopper popper for I think $2. So we're gonna get after it. Comment down below who do you think is gonna win, TEMU or normal stuff. Let's get right in the video. Let's catch a fish.
What the heck?
Okay, so I didn't think I was gonna catch a fish that quick. But we did. So the mini swim bait is knocked off with the smallest rock bass I have ever seen. First cast with the TEMU swim bait. He's an absolute monster. See you, bud. So that's one down. Now I can pick up the Ned rig. Actually, no, I'm gonna keep fishing it. Because it was that easy. So we never fished this stretch. So it's actually like, this is a big old island. If you look on the maps, it's actually called Large Island, which is kind of funny. But I'm gonna give a couple caps here before we go to our normal spot. See if we can't do anything. Oh, there's another baby rock bass. So right now, the only reason why I'm beating Brandon is because I have micro stuff catching micro fish. He is fishing a full-size 3-inch tube. So I say if we go to the other side where we normally fish, Brandon will definitely get into them. Yeah, you just stay right here. Come up here, catch some fishies. Hey, this sofa's still here, so I guess none of y'all are interested. Come pick it up. Brandon said he will load it for you. About these little Ned rigs, they smell horrible. Smell it. Smell like donkey doo-doo.
Fish might like donkey doo-doo.
They might like. But yeah, look, it's got that Elastex stuff going on. So who knows? This might be the move. I think this was like $1.50. There we go. My drag is super loose. Netty rig has been knocked off. This right here is a thumbnail. I gotta make that the thumbnail. Deuces. All right, the old Ned rig has been knocked off. Only things really left is those jigs, whopper plopper, that swim bait, the Ned rig hooks, which I can't even throw a turd on that one, as these look ridiculous on it. What else? I think that's it. I did have a chatterbait. I tried to do this intro before, and then I fished with it a little bit, but the chatterbait already broke, so that's a no-no. There's another one. TEMU's putting in this work. But all right, guys, so we got the jig tied up. Let's see what we can do. Where you at? Where'd you cast that? I missed one. Missed him again. Oh my gosh, something's hitting it. Might be a rock, to be honest with you.
You letting it go to the bottom?
Yeah. Might not be. That was a bite. Oh, a smallie just, I was swimming it in and a smallie came up and attacked it. Holy cow. I watched him eat it too. It is on. And the fish is scaring him.
Oh, I thought he came off.
No, it's a good smallie. Grab him.
I thought he came off.
Hey, black and blue jig. No trailer, or did he eat the trailer?
I just got attacked by a bug.
So I don't know if that did it, but Brandon caught one on black and blue jig. Heck yeah. Definitely got the size of the day. Alright guys, so that's gonna be the end of the video. TEMU did win, yes, but Brandon was throwing a jig all day, which is a little bit different. I was throwing a little finesse stuff he was throwing. I thought he was gonna throw like Ned rig, wacky rig. He did throw wacky rig for a little bit, but he didn't have the right ones he wanted. But still a good day fishing. The stuff worked pretty good. The dark sleeper, the tail didn't work, and I cast that thing off, so I don't know where the heck that is. But they didn't want a waffle popper today.
No.
No.
Probably have to wait till later.
Yeah, wait till tonight. I might do that. But if you guys like the video, please like, comment, subscribe. We're trying to get to 100 subscribers by the end of the year. We're about halfway there. That's it. See you guys next time. Keep on fishing. Money. On a fish. Oh yeah! He's running towards you, Brandon.
Oh my god!
Yeah!
I told you.
This is where I wanted to fish. Good smallie.
You're not even filming.
Am I not? Yeah, I am. You're mean.
What I say?
I've caught him here before. But yes, this is what you said. This dude has been caught so many times. I can't even get the hook out of you. He's a long boy, he's just not fat. There we go. Nice smallie. He's a little deformed, but it's all good. We got one. He's not a big one. This ain't him. He was twice as big as him. This is all sorts of messed up. Stop it, man. Stop it. Get some help. Comment down below if you know why his gills are sticking out like that. I guess someone broke them. But see you, buddy.